If you're having issues with your website, feel free to reach out to me at webtrackofficial@gmail.com. Whether it's troubleshooting, optimizing, or taking your website to a next level, I am here to help you solve any website challenges. Hey everyone, are you ready to become a Canva pro? Today, I'm sharing 4 amazing Canva hacks that will save you time and take your designs to the next level. Let's dive right in. Did you know you can turn any Canva presentation or slideshow into a fully functional website? It's super easy. Here's how you do it. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Website. Canva gives you different styles to choose from, like scrolling or classic navigation. Replace the URL. Once you choose your style, click Publish Website. And voila! You now have a fully responsive website to share with the world. Perfect for portfolios, quick landing pages, or event invites. Have a low-quality image? Don't worry. Canva's image upscaler has your back. Here's how you use it. From the left sidebar, click Apps. Search for Image Upscaler. Click to upload your low-quality image. The image upscaler can enhance your images up to 16 times, but it's a premium feature. Want to unlock premium features like this for free? Join Canva for Teams. Watch this video to learn how. Click Upscale. And in just a few seconds, your image will be enhanced with sharper details and better resolution. See the difference? This is a game changer for anyone working with old or small images. Love a color palette from an image you found online? Copy it straight into Canva and let the magic happen. Watch this. Copy the image and paste it into Canva. Right-click on the image and select Apply Colors to Page. How cool is that? Canva automatically updates your design with the colors from the image, giving it a fresh, cohesive look in seconds. Want to give your image a whole new vibe? Canva's background remover makes it effortless to replace any background. Here's how. From the left sidebar, go to Apps and choose the Replace Background tool. It works like magic. Just enter in your prompt and hit Replace. And there you go, a completely transformed image in just a few clicks. This is perfect for product photos, profile pictures, or creative designs. And there you have it. 4 incredible Canva hacks to up your design game. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another design tip. Until next time, happy designing with Canva. See you later, alligator.